Once you are logged into your account, click on Create Your First Survey button. Now you can create your survey manually without any template, or you can use a template. Let's go with a template. Here you can search for different templates, or you can select from top templates. Once you have decided, simply click on the eye icon and then use the template. Once the template is loaded, you can see all the pre-designed questions. On the left, you can change survey features like title, language, etc. Below that, you can add questions to your survey. Then we have index of the whole survey. Below that, you can see everything you deleted when creating this survey. We have a question bank where one can select from hundreds of questions. Then there is the theme tab, where we can change the complete visual look of the survey. To add a question, simply click on Add Question button from the left menu bar. Select the question type you want. Then you have to select the page where you want to add this new question. You have the option to place the new question before or after a certain question in the survey. Once you select that, just click on Create Question. Add the question details and just hit Save. It's that easy! If you want to delete a question, click on the 3 dots icon right next to the question you want to delete and click on Bin icon. Confirm and it's deleted. To create the survey without using any template, click on Create Your First Survey and select Create New Survey. Give your survey a name and choose the category it falls into. And just hit Create. Your survey has been created, and now you can add your logo, description and page name for this survey. Once you're happy with its settings, you can then start adding questions just like we did before. When adding a question, you have over 20 question types to choose from, like multiple choice questions or slider questions, etc. Select the type you want and select the location of your new question. Fill in all the details and just hit Save. Want to see how your survey looks? No problem. Once you have finalized your survey, simply click on Preview button and here is your finalized survey. You can select a different device from the menu to see how it will look on different devices.